Starting y'all off right here on the daily. As y'all can see, the 100 EMA finally popped up on the daily. So that is a good sign. Like I showed y'all before, when the EMAs just pop up, it means about to get a nice rise. I want to show y'all something. Like, you see the way this thing right here curved up right here? This was like a false move. So wherever this supposed to be at, when it make its jump, like literally, I mean, it's that simple. 335. Up, look right to the left. That's what we're looking at next. This general area. But anyways, I'm continuing talking about what I was talking about. But we see the drop right here, right? Remember what I always say, market makers love doing things by three. Look at this. 1, 2, now 3. This is very low. It's not going any lower in this area. It's about to make a reversal. And then we just up from here. I mean, this is probably as low as it's going to be for the rest of our lives, man. On some real. But anyways, this is the daily now. And y'all see, we got that push-up, red candle push-up with the stopping pressure just because, man, we about to have a serious reversal for ICP. And we know ICP is super behind. I mean, look at where you're supposed to be at. I mean, supposed to be way up here, 7, 8. I mean, you know, more and more and more. Especially if you already know what ICP really is used for. This thing end up being, you know, $20,000, $30,000 per coin at some point in time in the future. Since it will be specifically used for Bitcoin. Let's hit this 4-hourly, right? Boom. You see we're getting a rejection right there on a 20 EMA. What's going to happen? We're going to break through, right? Like I always show y'all. We're going to break through. Boom. We're going to hit the 50. 50 is perfectly right here where this candlestick is at. So that'll be about $35. Slight retracement, and then we will break all the way out. Up here where you see the stopping pressure. Because that's super resistance. So that's around $43. Since this is around $43, we'll be up here around the 100 EMA. So boom, hit that 100 EMA. Then we head our way up there to the 200 EMA. And the 200 EMA will literally be right here where this stopping pressure is at. Around the $57. Like I always said, that was the actual target. And we hit 57, but we went back down. So we about to skip. This thing about to have a big move. Since it got caught up in this nonsense we got going on the last few days or whatnot. So this thing is really about to blow. Because I already gave out the zones before. And this was one of the zones. And we're going to tap up out of here. And we're going to go up to 90. That's when we're really going to start making the moves. But since we dropped down so low, I mean, this thing is really going to make some moves. I mean, you know what I'm saying? No questions about it. But our next target, it's right here, like I said, $35. Retracement, bounce off to 50. Boom, up here. Right here, around $45. But you see, we already got tested twice. But like I said, we will come back down just to bounce off this 100. And we'll head up here to the 200. 57. So overall, our real target is, our first target, and go back to the first target. First target, 45. Second target, 57. And at any point in time, they could just shoot a move straight up out of here because this is a super fast move and it's well below the 100. It's well below the 200. 200 need to be way down here, and then the 100 need to be way below this. Then we mess with the 20 and 50. But the 20 is below all of them. So, I mean, this thing is bound to make a crazy move. But I gave y'all the targets. Showed y'all we basically already bottomed out. So, yeah. Anything I just said is not financial advice at all. Y'all growing and make your own decisions. But like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.